Hello, my dear students of class 5. Welcome to maths class once again. In my previous class, I have done exercise 3.4 till question number 5, and I have said that today I will do question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so let's start with question number 6. I hope you have understood the first 5 questions of this exercise. Now let's do question number 6. So what is question number 6? 240 cold drink bottles are to be arranged in rows of 12. How many such rows will be formed? So there are 240 cold drink bottles, okay, and these bottles are to be arranged in 12 rows. Okay, so in one row, how many cold drink bottles will be there? So we have to find the number of cold drink bottles in one row. Okay, so now let's do question number 6. Okay, step by step. So how to write this? Okay, 240 cold drink bottles. It has to be arranged in 12 rows. Okay, so in 12 rows. So in 12 rows, how many cold drink bottles are to be arranged? 240 cold drink, okay, bottles. Okay, total there are 240 cold drink bottles, okay, and we have to arrange this in 12 rows. Okay, like you have bookshelves and all, so in this way 12 rows are there. Okay, so how many cold drinks bottles, okay, will be there in one row? So same way there are 12 rows. Okay, there are 12 rows. I have made here 1 2 3 4 5 rows only. Okay, but there are 12 rows. Okay, and in 12 rows we have to arrange these 240 cold drink bottles. Okay, so in one row how many bottles will be there, we have to find. Okay, so in one row, what you have to do? For one, what you have to do? We have to divide. Okay, so 240 divided by 12. Okay, so now you know the division method. So now let's divide. This is the dividend, so it will be inside and divisor will be outside. So this 2 will not come in 12 table, it will not get divided. Okay, so we have to take these 2 digits. Okay, that is 24. So 12 table 24 is in 12 table 24 is there, no? 12 1 12, 12 2 24, 12 2 24. Now subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0, so we can put cross. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring this 0 down. In 12 table 0 is there, no? So 12 zeros are 0. Okay, so what is the answer? 20. So in one row, how many bottles will be there? There will be 20 bottles. Okay, 20 cold drink bottles. Okay, so let's write here in one row. Okay, 20 cold drink bottles. Okay, so I think you have understood. So in one row how many bottles will be there? There will be 20 bottle in one row. So in 12 row how many will be there? In total 240 cold drink bottles. Okay, so now let's see question number 7. Question number 7. 4 chefs in a restaurant baked 280 pizzas in one day. How many pizzas did each of them bake? If all 4 baked an equal number of pizzas. So there are 4 chefs. Okay, in one restaurant there are 4 chefs. So these 4 chefs, okay, together they bake 280 pizzas in one day. Okay, so together they are making, okay, like this 4 chefs together they make 280 pizzas. Okay, so one chef will bake how many pizzas? Okay, one chef will bake how many pizzas? Okay, so how many pizzas, okay, are baked by one chef? These 4 chefs together when they work together, they have made 280 pizzas. So one chef will bake how much? So we have to find for the one. So question number 7. Okay, 4 chefs baked, okay, in one day. How many pizzas? 280 pizzas. Okay, one chef, how much it, one chef will bake how many pizzas in one day? One chef baked in one day is equals to 280 divided by 4. So now let's divide, then we will get the number of pizzas baked by one chef. So 280, 4 will be outside. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. So this, what is it? 2 will not get divided by 4. So we have to take this 2 digits, that is 28. In 4 table 28 comes, okay, in how many times? 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. 4 7 is 28. 8 minus 8 is 0, put the cross. Okay, you can write 0 or you can put the cross. 2 minus 2 is 0, put the cross. Bring 0 down. In 4 table 0, it doesn't come, so 4 zeros are 0. Okay, and put the cross. So how many pizzas? Okay, one chef will bake. One chef baked 70 pizzas. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now let's see question number 8. Question number 8. Total of 1,12,032 switches are to be shipped in cartoons from one city to another. If each cartoon contains 3,456 switches, how many cartoons or switches are to be shipped? This means that total number of switches, okay, they are to be shipped, okay, they are to be sent from one city to another, okay, and in one cartoon how many switches will be there? 3,456 switches. So how many cartoons will be there? Like in the shops you see now, so many cartoons are there, okay. So if in one cartoon there will be 3,456 switches, so how many cartoons are required for this 1,12,032 switches? So what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay, when we will divide, we will get the number of cartoons. Okay, so now let's do. So, okay. So let's write. Okay, first we write the total number of switches. Okay, total number of switches, okay, total number of switches to be packed, okay, is equals to how much? 1,12,032. Okay, so this is the total number of switches. Okay, now we will write the number of switches, okay, in one cartoon. Number of switches in one cartoon. So in one cartoon how many switches will be packed? 3,456. So we have to find the number of cartoons, okay, required to pack these switches. Okay, so we have to find this number of, okay, number of cartoons, okay, required number of cartoons required is equals to, what you have to do? We have to divide this 1,12,032. We have to divide by how much? 3,456. Okay, so now let's divide and let's see how many cartoons will be required. So let's write here and divide. Okay, 1 crore 12,032 divided by how much? 3,456. Now you don't know the table of 3,456, so you can write separately by multiplying by 2. Okay, one by one you will multiply by 2 and you will write. Okay, so you don't know the table of this, so what you will do, you will write the table of 3,456 by multiplying by 2, then 3, 4. Okay, and in this way you will write the table first, then you can do the division easily. Okay, so you will see here, so you see here that I have already written here. Okay, I have already written here 3,456, 1 ja 2 3 up to 10 I have already written here. Okay, I have already written here so that it will become easy for us to divide. Okay, so 3,456. Okay, you have to divide. So now if you will take 1, it will not get divided. Take one more digit, it will become 10, not divided. Take one more digit, it will become 100, not divided, because this is 1000. I'll take one more, it will become 1001. It will not get divided because this is 3000. And let's take one more digit. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so how much it has become? 10,000. It will become 10,012. Okay, it will become 10,012. So 10,012. Okay, it may come, okay, or it may not come. Let's see. Okay, if it will not come, what we will take? We will take the number less than 10,012. Okay, so now let's see here. Okay, 10,000 is there. See, 10,000 is there, but how much it is there? 10,368. We want 10,012 or less than this. So what we will take? We will take this 6,912 because this is less than this. We cannot take more. So 3,456 2 ja how much? 6,912. Okay, so now don't write from here, otherwise it will become wrong. So try to place the number, okay, from right hand side. 9 6, because if I would have placed from here, so I would have just reached up to this much, so my answer would be wrong. So try to place it from the ones, then tens, 100. Okay, then your answers will be correct. Okay, then subtract it. 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I will take carry. Okay, here don't put cross, okay, because we require this number. Okay, if at last anything is there, okay, and is getting 0, then you can put cross. In middle one don't put cross, okay, because we are going to get the number. Now this will ask borrowing from this, it will not give because it is already 0, so it will ask. Okay, so this 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10, but it will give carry to this. Okay, so this will become 10 and this will become 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 6 is how much? 3. Okay, so now it has become 3,100. Okay, now let's bring this 0 down. Okay, brought. Now how much it is? It is 31,000. Okay, so let's see that 31,000 is there or less is there. So you can see that 31,000 is there, but it is 31,104. It is more than 31,000. So we will take less. Okay, that is 27,648. Now how many times it comes? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. That means 3,456. Okay, 8 ja how much it is? How much it is? It is 27,648. Okay, so right from back 8. Okay, 4 6. Okay, 7 2. Now let's subtract it. From 0 we cannot subtract. Okay, so it will ask borrowing from this. So these two are already 0, so this will ask from this. Okay, so what will happen? This 1 will give 1 borrowing to this, so it will become 10. Again it have to give to this, so it will become 9. This will 10. Okay, it will give to this, so it will become 9 and it will become 10. So first this will become 0. Okay, this will become 9. This will become 9. Okay, and this will become 10. Now 10 minus 8 is how much? It is 2. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. 9 minus 6 is how much? 3. Now from 0 we cannot subtract 7. So this 0 will take 1 borrowing from this 3. So this 3. and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 7 is how much? 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So in front, no need to write 0. You can put the cross. Now bring this 3 down. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, we have to write. We have to the 33,523 is there or not, or less than it is there. So we can see that, okay, it is not there. Okay, we can see that it is not there. So less than it, what is there? 31,104. So 1,456. How much? 31,104. Let's check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ja. Okay, so 3,456 9 ja. Okay, now let's place the number. Okay, this way. Now let's subtract it. Okay, from 3 we cannot subtract 4, so this 3 will take borrowing from this 2. 2 will become 1, 3 will become 13. 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. 1 minus 0 is how much? 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and 3 minus 3 is 0, so put the cross and bring this 2 down. Okay, now let's check. Okay, now let's check 24,192 is there or not. So let's check. Yes, it is there. See here, 24,192, 24,192. So 3,496. How much ja? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ja. Okay, so let's write here 7. Okay, okay, and what you have to do? We have to place it from back. Okay, done. Now subtract this. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, 9 minus 9 is 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can put cross or 0, no problem. Okay, so how many cartoons are required now? 2,897. Okay, so now let's write here number of cartoons required equals to how much? It is 2,897. So this is the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 9. A wheel of cycle makes 450 revolutions to cover 1 kilometer. How many revolutions will it make to cover 32 kilometers? Now for 1 kilometer they have given how much revolutions? 450 revolutions. Okay, so how many revolutions will it cover in 32 kilometers? So for many, what you have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, so now let's do number 9. Question number. So let's start. Okay, question number 9. Number of revolutions to cover 1 kilometer. Km means kilometer. So how many revolutions? 450. Okay, number of revolutions to cover 32 kilometer is equals to how much? What did you do? To multiply 450 into 32. Okay, so now let's multiply. So now let's multiply. Okay, 450. Okay, this side will write 32. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 5 I'll write here, 1 I will give carry, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is how much? 13. Now let's add this 0, 0, 9 plus 5 is 14, 4, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1. Okay, so number of revolution to cover 32 kilometer is how much? 14,400. Okay, so how many revolution? Let's write here number of revolutions, okay, is equals to how much? 14,400. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now let's see question number 10. Now let's read question number 10. Okay, a toll bridge collects ₹20 from each vehicle which crosses it. If 3,42,615 vehicles crosses the toll bridge in a fortnight, find the total amount collected. So they are asking the total amount collected. Okay, they a toll bridge collects how many rupees for one vehicle? 20 rupees. Okay, so how many rupees will they collect for 3,42,615 vehicles? Okay, that has crossed. Okay, so now what you have to do? We have to multiply, because for one vehicle they are charging 20 rupees. So from 3,42,615, how many? What you have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, so now let's do question number 10. Okay, so now let's write here. Okay, amount collected by one vehicle. So what is the amount collected from one vehicle? Rupees 20. Okay, so amount collected by 3,42,615 vehicles. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to multiply 3,42,615 into 20. Okay, so now let's multiply here. Okay, 0 5s are 0, so this number is multiplied by 0 will be how much? 0. Okay, so 0 1s are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 2 5s are 10, 0 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now let's add this. Okay, 0 0 3 2 5 8 6. Okay, so how many? So what is the amount? Okay, what is the total amount collected? It is 68,52,300. Okay, so now let's write here total amount collected. Okay, is rupees, let's write here this. Okay, then we'll put the comma. So how much it is? 68,52,300. Okay, so this is the answer. Now last question is there of this exercise, so now let's do that. Question number 11. A bulb factory can produce 2,380 bulbs in a day. How many bulbs can it produce in a year? If 50 bulbs can be packed in one cartoon, how many cartoons can be packed with bulbs in a year? So, a bulb factory can produce how many bulbs in one day? 2,380 bulbs in one day. Okay, so how much will it produce in a year? So, in a year, how many days are there? 365 days. So, we have to multiply this. Okay, number of bulbs in one day into 365. So, we will get the number of bulbs. Okay, in a year. So, then we will do the next step. Okay, that we have to find the number of cartoons. Okay, in which it will be packed. So, now let's start. Okay, now question number 11. Okay, first of all, we will write here that 1 year is equals to 365 days. Okay, why I have written here? Because they are asking, okay, in one day, okay, the factory is producing 2,380 bulbs. So in 1 year means 365 days. Okay, so how much it will produce? Okay, so now let's write here number of bulbs in one day is equals to how much? 2,380. Number of bulbs in 365 days. So what you have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, 2380 into 365. So now let's multiply here and write the answer. Okay, 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 is 19, 9 here 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Put the cross in the ones place. 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, right here 8, 4 carry. Okay, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 2 here, 2 I will give carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 is how much? 14. Put the cross. 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, 4 I will write here, 2 carry. 3 is a 9 plus 2 is how much? 11, 1 I will write here, 1 carry. Okay, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. Now add this all. 0, 0, 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 carry. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. This one, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so how many bulbs they are producing in 1 year? Right here, in 1 year, okay, write the number, okay, and put the comma. Okay, so in 1 year 8,68,700 bulbs. Okay, okay, now we have to find the number of cartoons. So now the second part, okay, that 50 bulbs can be packed in one cartoon. How many cartoons can be packed with bulbs in a year? Okay, so now first we will write here total number of bulbs. Okay, so what is the total number of bulbs? It is 8,68,700. Okay, now number of bulbs, okay, in one cartoon. So in one cartoon how many bulbs will be there? 50. Okay, now number of cartoons required. We have to find number of cartoons required. What you have to do? You have to divide this and this. Okay, so 8,68,700 divided by 50. Okay, so now let's write here 8,68,700. This is the dividend, divided by 50. Okay, so we'll take this 2 digit. 51 ja 50. 6, 8 minus 5 is how much? It is 3. Now bring this 8 down. Okay, so 50 how much ja? What is it? 368. So 368 doesn't come in 50 table. Okay, so less than it what comes? 350. Okay, so 7 ja 350. Okay, so now what you have to do? We have to subtract this. Okay, so 8, 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. Put the bring 7 down. Now in 50 table 187 doesn't come, so less than this what comes? How much it comes? It comes 150. Okay, so 50 3s are 150. So 0 5 1 150. Okay, so now let's subtract this 7. 8 minus 5 is how much? 3. Bring this 0 down. So it is 370. So 370 also doesn't come. So 57 ja how much? It is 350. Okay, so now subtract this 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now bring this 0 down. Okay, so it has become 200. So it has become 200. So 50 how much is 200? 50 4 ja 200. Okay, so put the cross. Okay, because this when you will subtract you will get 0. So how many cartoons are required? 17,374 cartoons are required. Okay, so with this I have completed exercise 3.4. okay, exercise 3.5 I will do after the test. Okay, so you will practice till exercise 3.4. okay, for your unit test. So whatever I have done today you will practice this also. Okay. Thank you.